World Tuna Day is celebrated on May 2 every year to raise awareness about the importance of tuna fish and promote sustainable fishing practices. The United Nations declared this day in 2016 to highlight the role of tuna in global food security and the economy. Tuna is one of the most consumed fish in the world. It is a key source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential nutrients for millions of people. The tuna fishing industry also supports the livelihoods of many coastal communities. However, due to overfishing and illegal fishing, tuna populations are declining, which threatens marine ecosystems. To protect tuna species, organizations and governments promote sustainable fishing methods, such as fishing quotas, reducing bycatch, and enforcing strict regulations. Consumers are also encouraged to choose seafood from sustainable sources to help maintain fish populations. On World Tuna Day, events like seminars, campaigns, and discussions are held to spread awareness. The day reminds us of the need to balance tuna consumption with conservation efforts to ensure that future generations can also benefit from this valuable resource. Sustainable fishing is crucial for maintaining ocean health and food security.